Hello and welcome to my channel Learn in 5 minutes. Today I am starting a new series on SketchUp software. So in this video we will go through an introduction of the online free version of SketchUp and see kind of how it works. The web-based version of SketchUp is free. You can access this by going to sketchup.com and go to Products, Create and click SketchUp for Web. When you land on SketchUp for Web page, click on Start Modeling. You will require an account here to log into SketchUp. If you don't have an account, you can use Google or Apple ID. In case you want to create new account, then just enter your email ID here and click Next and follow the steps to create your account. I'll log in with my Google account. For the first time, SketchUp will give you this kind of loader page. You can read the terms if you want. I'll just agree and move forward. So, this is the kind of dashboard you will land on. You will see all your saved projects here. We will just create new. Before a blank project is created, SketchUp wants to know the measurement unit which we are going to use in this project. I'll select feet and inches here. And our blank project is loaded. This is the place where you are going to name your model and save eventually. On the left hand side here, you have this toolbar from which you can pick the tool that will be used when creating model. You can even see this small arrow besides some of the tools. This represents that there are more tools hidden in there. You can just click the tool with the arrow and hidden tools will pop out for you to select one of them. On the right hand side, you have panels that will give you more idea about your selected elements. For example, if I select this model, you can see the details of this model here. So there are various panels out there which will help you during your modeling. We just need to click on the icon here, and if we don't need it, then just close the panel from its header. You can even click on this arrow to close this panel completely. In the bottom here, you have the status bar, and in the status bar, you will see there is a help text here which will help you with what you can do with the selected tool. For instance, I have selected the select tool. This gives me information about select tool. Now, if I change the tool to line tool, the help text changes accordingly. And finally, on the bottom right, you have here is the measurement box. This will help you in drawing your objects with precision. For example, if I have to draw a line here, I will click and move my mouse in the direction I want to draw the line. And you can see that as I move my mouse, the value in the measurement box changes, showing me the length of the line from the point I have clicked to the pointer of my mouse. If I have to draw this line of 10 feet, then you can see the changing value in the box as I move my mouse. Getting exact 10 feet is a struggle. So what I can do here is, without going to or selecting the measurement box, I can just type 10 feet, as you can see I have done, and just hit enter. And we have line of exact 10 feet. So in this manner, measurement box can be used while modeling. If you found this video useful, please like and share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, do it right now and press the bell icon besides the subscribe button so that you don't miss on any new videos that I upload. Thanks for watching.